To answer this question, we need to find the 5-number summary for this data set. To do that, our first step is to put the data in order from smallest to biggest. So let's have a look at our numbers. It looks like our smallest number is going to be 5, so I'll put that in the first answer box. Then we've got 2 8s, then a 9, and then we've got an 11, a 12, and finally a 15. So the 5-number summary consists of 5 values, not surprisingly: the minimum number, the maximum number, the median or Q2, and the lower and upper quartiles or Q1 and Q3. So the first and easiest part of the question to fill in is just to pop in the minimum and maximum numbers. So the minimum number is going to be 5 and the maximum number is going to be 15. Now we need to find the median, which is going to be our middle number. So if we look at our set of values, we've got 7 values in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our median or middle number is going to be the 4th value, the 9, because that will divide the data set into 2 equal halves, 3 numbers on the left, 3 numbers on the right. So 9 is our Q2 or median value. Now we need to work out our Q1 and Q3 values. So to do this, normally I would put my finger over the median value to divide the data set into 2 halves, but because I can't do that in this video, I'm just going to temporarily delete it. So now we can see that we've got 2 halves to our data set, these 3 numbers here and these 3 numbers here. So for this half of the data set, the median number or middle value for that half will be 8, because that gives us 1 number on each side. So that makes 8 our Q1 value. And if we look at the upper half of the data set, 11, 12 and 15, our middle value will be 12, because that gives us 1 number on each side. So that means our Q3 value will be 12. But just before I enter that in, I'm just going to pop my middle number back in, which was 9, and now I can put 12 in for the Q3 value to complete the question.